हेलो एवरीवन। सो यहाँ पे हम देखने वाले हैं कि रिसेंटली रोमानियन जो पोल्स हुए प्रेसिडेंशियल पोल्स दे हैव बीन अनल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ अगेन द एलिगेशंस कि रशियन इंटरफेरेंस हुआ है। सो देयर इज दिस लीडर कैलिन जॉर्जक्यू who it was appearing कि might be he would be the next president, but we see that there's been interference by social media. There have been increased cyber attacks by Russia. Paid social influencers को पैसा दिया गया to again spread more of disinformation and misinformation. And also we see that जो contesting candidate है, he has ultra nationalist messages were being spreaded by him. So not just in this election, हमने पहले कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका केस भी देखा, या फिर recently we again German MP from the Alternative for Germany party, he was under a probe for receiving money from a pro-Russian campaign. So Russian interference across different countries in the election procedure has been on the rise. So again यहाँ पे core ideology as we are seeing in the Russia-Ukraine war, या फिर फाइट अगेंस्ट नेटो या एक्सपेंशन अगेंस्ट नेटो की जब रशिया अपने स्टैंड की बात करता है, तो इनडायरेक्टली इट इज बीइंग इंटरफेयर इन अक्रॉस डिफरेंट इलेक्शंस। कहीं ना कहीं वी कैन से कि दिस विल erode people's trust in the fairness of the elections. It might lead to possibly more military coups. So, what is the right way forward is the question. And also, keeping this aside, this ideology beside, we can also talk about the again increasing cyber attacks, the role of social media जब हम elections in India की बात करते हैं. So regulation is very important. Giving more powers to Election Commission of India is very important. So we can think is in this direction and meet you with a new topic in the next video.